When you see an Esan person and you see a snake, kill the Esan first before the snake. When you see an Esan person and you see a snake, kill the Esan first before the snake. First, I would like to address my Edo people. My Edo people that are being agitated, that are angry because of the picture the Igbo people are doing to cast aspersion at our royal father and all of that on media. Please, I want to beg my Edo people, those of you or those of us that are also doing same for Nnamdi Kanu and all of those things, let's stop. You know, Nnamdi Kanu is so insignificant to be used to try to kind of do comparison with our royal father. Is so insignificant. It is only in the mind or in the ideology of the Igbos or some Igbos, aka the Biafra Igbos, that Nnamdi Kanu exists. But our royal father is a recognized monarch in the globe, in this world. Even the Nnamdi Kanu that they are talking about, when he sees our royal father today, he will goes down on his knees and worship him as a god that he is. As these things is going on the media, as viral as it is, you have not seen any of their prominent Igbo person, from their presidential candidate Peter Obi to so many others who have come out to address this issue, to tell their people to desist from it. Even the leader of the Igbo community in Bini has not come out to issue a letter to tell their people to desist from such an act. And we must understand that silence is consent. Our Esan people who are on media applauding what these Igbo people are doing, trying to now paint themselves to be the good people or something like that. Shame on you. When you see an Esan person and you see a snake, kill the Esan first before the snake. When you sell out your brother, even the buyer cannot trust you, because even the Igbo people you are applauding cannot trust you. They are only manipulating you, and you are falling for the cheap manipulation. Before I end this video, all the Olojes in Esan land, many of them are on media. They have a social media accounts, and none of them can directly say they have not seen what is going on online. To issue a letter to address their people, no, they have not done anything of such.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that Ile Binu hybrid from Ile-Ife said. Well, let me correct the rubbish that he just said. He said that Bini people should stop insulting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and also saying that the Igbos should stop insulting their Oba. In the process, when he was saying it, he is also doing the same thing that he is telling Bini people to stop doing, by saying that Nnamdi Kanu is so insignificant. So what makes him think that the Oba of Bini is not insignificant to the lovers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? If a Bini person calls Nnamdi Kanu an insignificant person, that Bini person is also telling us that his own Oba is an insignificant person also. You are insulting Nnamdi Kanu and you are expecting the Igbos not to insult your Oba. That means you must be very stupid, because most of this set of Bini people, they don't have sense. If you call Nnamdi Kanu insignificant, the lovers and followers of Nnamdi Kanu will always call your Oba insignificant. Insult Nnamdi Kanu all day, the Igbos will insult your Oba all day. The boy said that if Nnamdi Kanu see the Oba of Bini, that he will bow down to the Oba of Bini as a god that he is. If the Oba of Bini is God to you people, he is not God to we Igbos. We don't bow down to any man. Igbo man don't bow down to anybody. In Igbo land, it's an abomination to bow down to anybody. So you Bini people, you bow to your Oba, we don't bow. And for your information, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a king in his own community. If your Oba is divine king to Una, Nnamdi Kanu is divine king for your community. So if to say other kings for Edo State, they bow down to your Oba, Nnamdi Kanu can never bow down to your Oba. Nnamdi Kanu can never bow down to Yoruba. It's an abomination for a king like Nnamdi Kanu to bow down to Yoruba. You Benin people, you don't have sense. So many of them are just move for this social media. Making Nnamdi Kanu bow down to Yoruba. Are you stupid? Yoruba are God to you Benin people, not God to we Igbos. So if you keep insulting Nnamdi Kanu, the Igbos will keep insulting Yoruba. You know, go to insult other people, Papa. Say me they not insult your Papa. Who na be? If you keep insulting Nnamdi Kanu, Igbos will keep insulting Yoruba. You say, Igbos, no, there's nobody in Igbo land that is cautioning Igbo people, telling them to stop insulting the Yoruba of Benin. How many Benin people don't caution wounded civilians when they insult Igbos for more than 8 years now? How many Benin people have cautioned this useless boy that comes online talking all sorts of rubbish? See his head like watermelon will grow under the roots of tree. How many Benin people, notable Benin people, or their government officials or their royalties, how many of them have called wounded civilian to order? How many of them have called so many of these useless Benin people and tell them to stop insulting Nnamdi Kanu, stop insulting the Igbos? How many of them have done it? How many of them don't even do videos say stop insulting the Igbos? How many of them don't do it? You are here saying that Igbos are not cautioning their people, and no one is cautioning you Benin people. You people must be very stupid though. Many of them are mumu. As far as you keep insulting Nnamdi Kanu, Igbos will keep insulting Yoruba. So no fit say because of say Nigeria government is against Nnamdi Kanu, you have the right to insult him. No one will come and arrest you. Na lie you. As you insult Nnamdi Kanu, they will insult Yoruba. Listen to what the stupid boy said. He said that if you see a snake and you see an Ishan person, kill the Ishan person first before you kill the snake. They always say it. Whenever you see Benin people, they always say it. If you call a Benin person an Ishan person, you see Benin person and you call and say you be Ishan person, he will tell you, God forbid, don't ever call me Ishan person again. I'm not an Ishan person. I'm not a snake. I'm not an evil person. People they call say una brother. Una see they call them snake. They thought say if you see snake before Ishan person, make you kill Ishan person. To know how these Benin people are, these Benin people are very wicked, and you will still see them coming online to back. Ishan people are Benin descendants. Ishan people are Benin descendants. Ishan people are not related to Benin people. Ishan people are separate people. Ishan people are not from Ile-Ife. Ishan people are aboriginals in that Idu land. And these Yoruba people now called Benin invaded that land. Killed so many kings in Ishan land. And you are here saying that Ishan people are joining the Igbos. For your information, Ishan and Igbos are one people. That's why we have never recorded any war between Ishan and Igbos. Ishan and Igbos will not get issue. So we know our brothers even if we don't speak the same language. You Benin people have been trying to use Ishan people against the Igbos. Many of them who know themselves have always debunked you people, saying that Igbos are their brothers. And you are angry saying that Ishan people, they are insulting you Benin people. How many notable people from Benin have cautioned you people, telling you people to stop insulting the Igbos, stop insulting Ishan people? You Benin people have even started to insult the Oni of Ife. The Oni of Ife is the great-grandfather of your Oba. Even if the Oni of Ife is 2 years old, he is bigger than the entire Oba of Benin, because the Oni of Ife is a direct descendant of Oduduwa, while your Oba is the great-grandson of Oduduwa. So the two of them not be mates. You Benin people don't know your history. That's why you are busy insulting the Oni of Ife up and down on social media. And now that the Yoruba people have started returning that favor to Yoruba, you people started backing online. They are insulting our Yoruba, they are doing this. And now first started to insult other people. Whether civilian way done, they insult Nnamdi Kanu, they insult Ojukwu, they insult Nzog, they insult so many notable Igbo people. When I not tell them anything, now the one where they don't return to Onaoba, now I come out the back like dog. Mad people everywhere.